I found this wood cutout at Hobby Lobby for $4.99 with 40% off. Using some Wise Owl paint, I started with He Is Risen, using Wise Owl Black, and a small art brush. These art brushes you can get at Dollar General, and they usually come in a pack of about 3 for about $3. I am now painting the leaves on the outer side with dried thyme, also by Wise Owl. The flower I'm painting with goldenrod, and the cross and banner in chocolate. I found this wood board at Lowe's. It's over in the trim section. I think I paid about $7, and I'm painting it with Wise Owl Snow Owl, 2 coats using my Klingon brush. I believe that's my F30. It's a nice, small, flat brush, great for art projects. I am now flipping my cutout over and adding some wood glue and applying it to my white board and letting it dry overnight. You could leave it like this and hang it with some wood beads or some jute, but I decided to get a wreath. I picked it up at Home Goods. And with a DeWalt drill, we drilled 2 holes, one at the east and one at the west of our sign. And using some floral wire, we tied it to our wreath. Coming through the back side. Guys, all these products can be found at chalkitupfancy.com, the paint and the brushes. And if you enjoyed this video, go check us out on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. chalkitupfancy.com.